I would say that Cartrefi Cymru becoming a cooperative a couple of years ago was easily the most exciting thing we've done in the last 20 years. And I've no doubt that it was the right decision. The culture of and atmosphere of our organisation has definitely been massively improved by becoming a cooperative. Co-ops exist for and through their members. Our members are the people we support and our staff. And what we are experiencing now is people stepping up in terms of new roles, in terms of having their ideas and talents respected in a way which it never was before. In a traditional social care service, people tend to receive what's been set out by a professional in a care plan, and that can lead to years and years of people not necessarily getting what really matters to them. As a cooperative, with the people that we support as full members and as valued co-producers, having a conversation with a person and valuing their contribution and their ideas and their talents and their hopes is fundamental, and it's absolutely leading to better care and support.
What's great about working as a cooperative is we're supporting people how they want to be supported, how they have told us that they want to be supported, what they want to do, what's important to them, just giving them that independence, so more choice.
I would recommend becoming a cooperative, particularly a multi-stakeholder cooperative, to any agency such as Cartrefi providing social care. And we're really fortunate in Wales to have the Wales Co-op Centre full of expertise to help people on that journey. So if anybody's wanting to do it, I highly recommend them, and they were hugely helpful to us in our early transformation stage.